Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, I'm taking you on a virtual journey to one of Africa's hidden gems, the Bazaruto Archipelago in Mozambique. Get ready to discover a paradise that feels like it's straight out of a dream. First off, let's talk about the basics. The Bazaruto Archipelago consists of 6 idyllic islands, located just off the coast of Mozambique in the Indian Ocean. Think pristine white sand beaches, turquoise waters, and an abundance of marine life. It's truly a slice of heaven on earth. Now, one of the top highlights here is snorkeling and diving. The coral reefs around these islands are teeming with vibrant marine life, including dugongs, dolphins, and an array of colorful fish. If you've ever dreamed of swimming alongside these incredible creatures, Bazaruto is the place to make it happen. But it's not just about the underwater world. For those who prefer to stay dry, the islands offer plenty of other activities. Picture yourself riding horses along the beach, or perhaps embarking on a boat tour to explore the crystal-clear lagoons. The landscapes here are simply breathtaking. Dunes, freshwater lakes, and lush vegetation all add to the archipelago's magic. Another must-do is visiting the local communities. The islanders are incredibly warm and welcoming, and you'll get a glimpse into their unique way of life. Plus, don't miss out on trying the local cuisine. Fresh seafood is a staple here, and there's nothing quite like enjoying a meal with your toes in the sand as the sun sets over the horizon. One of my favorite things about Bazaruto is the sense of tranquility. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Imagine waking up to the sound of the waves, spending your days exploring, and ending each evening under a canopy of stars. Pure bliss. Before I wrap up, a quick travel tip. The best time to visit Bazaruto is during the dry season, from May to November. The weather is perfect, and you'll have the best chance of seeing the diverse marine life that calls these waters home. So, if you're looking for your next travel adventure, why not consider the Bazaruto Archipelago? It's a destination that promises unforgettable experiences and memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and happy travels. Until next time, keep exploring.